In mid-1891, Otto Lilienthal, a German pioneer of aviation, was the first person to glide through the sky. Although his flights were quite short, he proved that flight was possible by man. At the beginning, Lilienthal succeeded with jumps and flight covering distance of about 25 meters. He did research in describing the flight of birds, especially storks, and used polar diagrams for describing the aerodynamics of their wings. He made many experiments in an attempt to gather reliable aeronautical data. Lilienthal sold several standard gliders to other experimenters as far distant as Russia and the United States, and developed 18 different models of his gliders over a span of 5 years. 15 of Lilienthal gliders were monoplanes, 3 were biplanes. Each model was a hang glider controlled by the pilot shifting his weight rather than through the use of any active control surfaces. The Lilienthal glider was well prepared to fly in calm winds or with moderate headwinds, but not in more complicated windy conditions, such as those on the day of the crash. Lilienthal made over 2,000 flights in gliders of his design, starting in 1891 with his first glider version until his death in a gliding crash in 1896. His total flying time was 5 hours.